Welcome one and all. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, and yes, we are back with another mystery bag Monday of vintage, well, hopefully vintage t-shirts. Finally, the thrift store that I normally get these big bags from started putting some out again. Only one this time. Hopefully this will make it till the next time they put some stuff out. I do have another bag from the other thrift store. I just am guessing that they're going to probably release these a bit less frequently than they did previously, as summer people buy more t-shirts, so they're probably going to try to sell more. But anyway, if you don't know what this video is about, we open up these mystery bags of rags, which are mostly t-shirts, from thrift stores that sell them, and we see if we can find some valuable and collectible vintage t-shirts. Our record is actually pretty darn good, so I've been doing this project for about 6 months, and I think we're many hundreds of dollars in the green at this point. So that's been really cool. So we're going to keep doing it as long as it continues to be relatively profitable and somewhat interesting. So yeah, so that's what's been going on. Anyway, we'll probably be doing these videos a little bit less frequently. Looks like we have a Cardinals fan in here, so let's see if we can find some vintage Cardinals stuff. We'll probably be doing this series like every other week, as long as, I need to be able to have, if I don't have bags, we can't do the videos. But as long as we have bags, we'll do the videos as often as we have the bags to do them. So, but we'll use this opportunity on the Mystery Bag Mondays to do announcements, giveaways, stuff like that. We are nearing, at this point, we are nearing 500 subs. I think we're about to hit 400. By the time this comes out, we might be at 400. So really excited about that. That's pretty crazy. And we'll be doing some giveaways, I think, for 500 and for 1,000. I'm not sure what yet we will be giving away, but it'll be something. It'll be something for sure. So something fun and enjoyable and interesting to most people. Alright, let's see. Come on now. So far I'm not seeing anything, and not even anything particularly old. Typically that's what we like to see, is we like to see something that's somewhat old, even if it's not like valuable. But just give us an idea of whether or not like the person that donated this stuff had anything older in the first place. Lots of Arkansas Razorback stuff, no surprise here. This bag came from somewhere in Arkansas, so that's no surprise. But it is surprising to me. I've lived in, wait a minute, what's this? No, nothing. I've lived in South Central Missouri for like 3 years now. My parents for about 7 years, or 10 years I think, or something like that. And I find so little Kansas City Royals like merchandise or gear. I find unbelievable, god-awful amounts of Cardinals stuff, but rarely do I find Royal stuff. It just seems odd to me. Obviously we're probably, as the crow flies, we're probably similar distances from both St. Louis and Kansas City, but it does take a bit longer to get to Kansas City, so maybe that's part of it. Just a bit further, so not people who grew up going to games. What is this? Looks like we have maybe our first. Okay. Oh, it's our first vintage T-shirt. This super dope eagle tee. It's like a wraparound print. It's like eagle, and maybe that's a young eagle. I don't know. But we get lots of eagles around here. We have lots of bald eagles, like literally flying overhead frequently. But that is a good sign. That T-shirt right there, I think, would probably get me like 15 to 20 bucks. We have, nope. But that's a good sign that we have we have some older T-shirts in here. We might just have to get to that level. A little bit of an older T-shirt, so looking like I'm guessing. Wait, some. No, that's not old. Or it's not that old. But Saint Vincent. Okay. We still have a lot of t-shirts here. So Steelers. But it's starting to warm up, so very excited about that. I've been seeing some yard sales too. So we'll be getting into the yard sale season, so we'll probably do some yard sale videos. The top 5 thrifted finds might have to turn into 10 if we start getting real busy. We are planning a massive thrift trip, and so it's in the works. Exactly what, I don't necessarily know that I'm ready to announce what it is yet, but it's going to be huge, like lots and lots and lots of thrift stores. Alright, so I'm getting a ton of plain white tees. Yeah, you can see the pile over here growing on the table, on the, oh my gosh. Oh my, who even owns this many plain white tees to donate? I mean, they're all fairly used, like they're clearly dirty, they're clearly been worn many times. That's like they, oh wow, there's probably 25 blank tees, newer ones. So far we only have one vintage tee and unbelievable amounts of regular old undershirts. Man, so maybe they've been storing up all the undershirts and decided to put them in a bag all at once. I don't know. That's crazy. I've never seen that many of those shirts in here. Got a Nautica tag. Nautica Sports Club. Just got a little hit right here. Not that interesting. I think it is technically probably like early 2000s, but not interesting enough for it to be worth putting online. Alright, let's go. As I said, we are doing pretty good on this project of reselling. I'll have a, oh, there they go. I'll have a video recapping some of the stuff that we've sold roughly every month. So if we sell a lot, we might just try to get through some of them and do it a little bit more frequently. But at this point, we're just gonna do it every so often. After we, sell 10 to 15 items, we'll probably do a video recapping those sales. We're actually probably fairly close to a new one after the last one we did, which was like a week or two ago. Because the sales actually have been doing pretty okay. Alright, we're getting down to the bottom of this bag, and unfortunately, it might just be that one Eagle Top Flight Basketball Academy. It might just be that one Eagle tee. Which is fine, like it's a good tee, good size. Could definitely sell it for like 15-20 bucks, and that'll pay for the bag. And we'll just have to live with it, because you can't win every bag, but I like it when we do. If you've been watching this series much over the years that we've been doing it, ooh, what the? Oh, Bartlesville K-Life. It's a single stitch tee, $19.99. It's like a Christian animal hospital. Bolathon? Man, I don't know what's going on with this, but it's a pretty ratty tee. Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Spent some time there. It is a vintage tee. It's not going to be worth anything because it's like some local rando tee, but it is vintage. So maybe that. I mean, unfortunately, that's not going to sell, so it's not going to cover and make us any profit on this bag. But it's cool that there is some vintage stuff in there. So many unbelievable amounts of these t-shirts. There's like non-stop. Alright, I think that is it. It's over. So recap, it really is just this guy right here. This dope Eagle tee. Oh, it's even got a little hit here. It's like some state park in Arkansas. Cool t-shirt. 15, 20 bucks maybe. That'll pay for the bag, and you know, we'll be all right. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll keep trying to get as many of these bags as I can. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.